took a breath. That's Sabine Meyer and her wind ensemble with Mozart's Martin aller Arten from the abduction from the Seraglio. 8 minutes after 11 o'clock. You know, this Friday, October 23rd, is United Nations Day, and we are inviting you to a very, very special live stream musical event with one of the UN's most loved messengers of peace, Yo-Yo Ma. He will be in our Fraser Performance Studio.
For that, when I was thinking about 0-0. Rhode Island housing.
Shut the building down. Not going. Stand back. Because he had me before, but you know, I still had a decent game, I believe. These voters and more. The U.S. Postal Service is ready to deliver for you. $400 grand. So it's 1% of the population. I think the answer is that you're not going to win and come back to 1.7%. Dozens of horror movies. You don't want to do it over the phone. Some things just can't be said with an LOL or an OMG. Some things just need to be done IRL. So you're getting your Nissan on and drive. Feel the VC turbo engine instantly react to give you more power and efficiency. So you can get where you need to go.
Hey, Eric. What are you doing here?
Your social post. I like it.
Oh, thank you. You know, there's a button for that, right?
I do.
The Nissan Altima, now offering the most tech-advanced engine in its class. This is tech that helps you be there. This is Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Auto-Pacific segmentation. 2020 Altima Platinum versus latest in-market competitors in the premium midsize class. Available feature. World's first production variable compression turbo engine launched by Nissan Motor Company Limited in 2018. Of your own family and realize the importance of life insurance with SBLI.
What? I just...
If we just played a cut of you calling some guy a cheap-ass, John, fake-ass... Randall, yeah, I mean, come on.
Naturally produced to let us know when we're full, so I don't feel...
building. I think as long as they get their preparation in, their practice, I think they should win the football game. Although Jimmy G did play well against the Rams, and the Rams are a good football team. But I think New England, I think the way that Belichick defends West Coast offensive systems, he kind of knows what Jimmy G is about, what makes him tick. It's always a plus to have a coach or coaches on your staff who's coached against a guy who can give those little bitty details, and players on the team can also say, hey, if you get near him, he'll do this. If you do this, he'll do that. That's always a plus. I think Cam gets back on track. And I just think New England gets back on track. Now, if New England doesn't get on track, then next Monday when we have a conversation, the conversation will be different.
Yes, it might. Keyshawn, we always appreciate the time. Thank you.
All right, bud. Go Lakers.
Yeah.